Radisson Blu Hotel Alexandria. 5 stars. Get the celebrity treatment with world-class service at Radisson Blu Hotel Alexandria. Radisson Blu Hotel offers 2 swimming pools and a rooftop spa offering holistic treatments. Located in Alex West District, the hotel offers rooms with a private balcony and free Wi-Fi. All rooms are spacious and features glass sliding doors opening onto a balcony, some of which overlook Lake Mariout. Each one has a well-lit work desk, minibar and a TV. Rooms are spacious with amazing flat screen and the view is okay. Follow the link in the description to find out the price of accommodation on the most reliable hotel portal in the world. Excellent hotel. Room size. Follow the link in the description of this video. You will find the hotel rating, the best price and excellent customer service. Our team did a lot of work to create this video. Press likes and subscribe to our channel.